Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize affiliate marketing with Constant Contact, beginner guide step by step clearly. To optimize affiliate marketing, once your account is set up, log in and familiarize yourself with the dashboard. Next, navigate to the email marketing section to create your first campaign. Select a template that aligns with your brand and the message you want to convey. Customize the template by adding your logo, brand colors, and relevant images. Incorporate compelling copy that highlights your affiliate products and explains their benefits. Be sure to include a clear call to action that directs your audience to your affiliate links. Link the call to action button directly to the affiliate product pages to ensure seamless navigation. Consider segmenting your email list based on your audience's interests for better targeting. Implement sign-up forms on your website and blog to capture leads. After setting up your campaign, preview it to ensure everything looks as intended. Send a test email to yourself to confirm that all links and formatting are functional. Once you're satisfied, schedule the email for optimal delivery times based on your audience's behavior. Monitor the performance of your email campaigns through Constant Contact's analytics. Analyze metrics such as open rates, click-through rates, and conversions. Adjust your strategy based on these metrics to enhance future campaigns. Consider A/B testing different subject lines and content variations to determine what resonates best. Keep your audience engaged by sending regular, valuable content that nurtures their interests. Finally, stay updated with affiliate marketing trends and adapt your strategy accordingly. Continuous learning and optimization will help you maximize your success in affiliate marketing through Constant Contact. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.